Okay, so today we're working on a 2002 F250 Super Duty, and it has a problem with no power windows and the radio. The power windows and radio do not work. Key on. No power windows. Locks work. No power windows, and the radio doesn't work. So I had a look at the circuit here. And the circuit is powered up by this hot at all times fuse, which is 10 amp fuse, goes through the battery saver relay, which is in the instrument cluster and not serviceable, and that comes down and powers up the accessory delay relay. And the accessory delay relay supplies power to circuit breaker F265, I think it is, or 85, and F242. And that goes off to the power windows and our power windows and the radio. So here's the accessory delay relay. I'll turn the light on here, and it's not being powered on. So I've got a relay jumper in here, and you can see I got power on pin 30, but no power on pin 87. Oh, now I do have power on pin 87. Well, that's weird. So that means the windows work. Now they do. Well, when I was testing this earlier, it wasn't working. Now I see the radio is on. Gremlins. Oh well, that's typical. Okay, so it's back now. I got the key on, and I got a test light connected across pins 85 and 86 of the relay. Focus 86 and 85, and you can see the test light is on, off. Got no power windows, got no radio. So the control side of this relay is not being activated, and that comes from the battery saver relay, which is in the instrument cluster. I wonder if I bang on the steering column or bang on the dash. No such luck. So I think there's either a problem between it's pin 85 that's supposed to be power, and it's not power. So I suppose there could be a problem in circuit 54 here, but that's not likely. I'm going to check to see if I got power leaving the instrument cluster. So I've connected that circuit because it's dead coming out of the instrument cluster. It needs a new instrument cluster, to accessory run power circuit that's coming in on the same pin, same connector, pin 19. That's live with the key on. So that's just going to turn on the accessory delay relay. There won't be any delay. It'll go off with the key, and it should work just fine. So now with the key on, that relay is energized. As you can see, there's a test light connected across 85 and 86. Power windows work, both sides, and I'm sure the radio is going to work. The only problem is it's going to shut off as soon as you turn the key off, so no more delay. So here's the release tool for the radio. It's sticking in through the face of the radio, and it goes in and grabs that clip, and then you push it away and it bends that through, or pushes that clip away from the bezel. This side here, it's all bent. I had a hell of a time getting it in, and it looks like somebody tried to pry the radio out without the proper tool, but nevertheless it should go back together again.